Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe, and thank you so much. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a very easy, simple makeup under 5 minutes, minus the eyebrow. Obviously I've already done that off the camera. So this is the kind of makeup you do when you are in a hurry, you're leaving the house, but you still want to look a little bit good, like you want to look well put together, you want to look cute. Type of makeup you do to put yourself together. 5 minutes makeup. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So recently I've been wearing simple and easy makeup, not because I don't want to go all the way in, because I don't have the time right now to sit down and really do my makeup like I normally do. And if you guys notice, I've not been recording our makeup tutorial on my channel. I stopped doing makeup tutorial on my channel because I don't get views. I don't get views in that type of video, you guys. I feel like you guys love watching only hair tutorial and all that. I just don't have that time to sit down and record a makeup tutorial in 2 hours or 1 hour and end up getting some stupid views. Like so that is why I stopped doing makeup tutorial. If I'm going to like use my time on something, it should be something that will worth that time, not something that will make me feel like I waste my time. I don't like to feel that way at all. So I'll be doing makeup on my face only when I feel like, and take photo with it and post on my Instagram. And you should follow me on my Instagram if you are not following me. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. I'm just going to go straight to my foundation. So I'm going to be using this Milani Total Coverage Foundation. Before the foundation, I'm going to prime my face first. I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Primer. To set my face, I'm going to use this black Opal finishing powder. Then I'm going to use this MAC powder blush to contour my face. So I'm not going to wear any eyelashes, but I'm going to go ahead and use this MAC eyeliner to line my eyes. It's going to look like I am wearing eyelashes just to define my eyes a little bit. Then I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm using MAC Extended Play Mascara. To line my lips, I'm going to use this Davis lip liner. Lastly, to glow my face, I'm going to use this highlighter by MAC Cosmetics. So guys, this is all for this video, and this is how I do my easy 5-minute makeup. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.